Hey Triton, welcome back to another episode of VTV.
In today's episode, we'll learn how to make ice cream from scratch, and Michelle and I share our views on the latest fashion trends.
You all show us your lock screen and tell us why you chose it, and we end the show with the super fun and exciting Christmas surprise.
But first, this Friday, Triton Theater students will put on an annual fall play. We asked some of the cast why we should come.
So the difference between this year's fall play as opposed to other years is that this year we're actually doing 2 one-act plays instead of one big one. The first one is Check Please, which is a bunch of different scenes, and then we've got one large show called The Perfect Ending.
I think Mother would display an American flag.
And that is the show that I am the lead in. I play the mother. It's going to be a lot of fun. I get to wear a dress. The plot of The Mother is that she is trying to throw a perfect dinner party, but she knows that the world is going to end at 7:36 p.m.
So in Check Please, I play the normal girl. So I go on about 4 or 5 dates, and all of them are very interesting. After all the dates, I'm hoping to find the guy that is right and I want, and that may or may not happen.
In The Perfect Ending, I play the character Nurse Jane, but this lovely piece is for the character of Little Sister. So, as a little thing, she's a little psychotic and has some homicidal tendencies.
Big Daddy, let's blow this pop stand!
Wait! I can't go out once I have my pajamas on. Okay.
So this is for one of her entrances back onto stage.
So I play normal girl and Check Please. And basically I go on a date with this guy.
I play a guy named Brandon. Brandon is a guy who knows his way through any situation.
So I'm Kaylee. I'm the stage manager, tech manager, light designer, light programmer, and also everything tech pretty much. So the design for this show is pretty light and very different from what we've had in the past. So with Check Please and The Perfect Ending, we're going more of a traditional route. It's
going to be very entertaining. You're going to see a lot of different sides of people that you don't usually get to see.
Since after COVID, this is our first play that we actually get to have in front of people, so it would mean a lot to not only me, but the rest of the cast for people to come and support. So come, it will be fun.
Hey, I like your lock screen. That's a nice picture.
Thanks, isn't he hot? What's on yours?
Just a random picture of a girl I know.
Emma Campbell asked a bunch of you what's on your lock screen. Roll the clip.
So I went around the school and interviewed some people on what their lock screen is and why. So let's see what they had to say.
It's this.
Okay, why did you pick that?
Because I look really good in it.
Okay. My lock screen is my dog because he's really cute.
There's a picture of water because I like water.
So there's my lock screen. I'm a big sailing fan, and this is a sunfish sailboat, and I have one of those at the lake, and I love to sail it.
This is my lock screen because it's Kayla. It's me, Kayla, and Maya, and they're my best friends. So yeah. This is my cat that died. Oh.
So I didn't do anything, and this is what it came with. And so it's the ocean.
My lock screen is my niece, Lively, and she was super cute. So.
It's just me and my friends when we went skiing. I don't really know why.
This is my best friend, and that's a weird tree we found in the middle of the woods in Maine.
My lock screen is me, Marco, Jack, Bella, Maya, Andrew, and Josh.
Why?
Because they're my friends.
My lock screen is a picture of me and Jake dressed up as cowboys for Halloween because he is my boyfriend.
My lock screen is a picture of the Parker River in Newbury, because I love the river.
This is my lock screen.
Okay.
It was a very fun night on Halloween, and I like the people in it.
And how do I...
Spike down. Wait, no, that's awkward. It's a picture of me and my friend. Why can't I see it?
Okay. My lock screen is
currently broken.
Okay, I like the brown shirt. The belt is really nice. What pattern is your sweater?
Oh, this is houndstooth. Thanks, Mr. Sheehan.
Such an interesting fact.
Thanks. Anyways, last year during quarantine, fashion trends were all about comfort. Baggy clothes and sweatpants were the way to go.
This year, people stepped up their game and care more about how they dress. Jess and I found some of the latest trends on Pinterest and rated them 1 through 10. See if you agree. Hi, I'm Michelle.
I'm Jessica.
And we're going to be reading outfits. This is our opinion.
So don't take offense to it because we don't care.
Okay.
Yeah, shut up. First outfit. Observe it for a little bit. Yeah, we're going to be judging that. Let's see, what are your thoughts on it? Just give her a minute. Damn it. What do you think?
I would give it 8 out of 10.
I'd give it a 9 out of 10. I would wear it something like that. Like, I'm literally wearing low-rise jeans right now. I mean, I think it's cute. The purse doesn't really match, but
yeah.
I mean, she looks fabulous.
Yeah, she does. I'll give it 8 out of 10 because, like, the bag just doesn't match, you know? And then I personally don't like low-rise jeans on me. Okay, I don't like low-rise jeans on me, but I look very good on her. It's a nice pose for the picture, too.
Yeah,
nice
she looks
nice.
We'll put it in again.
8 out of 10.
9 out of 10 for me.
We're gonna do the girl with like the green sweatshirt. So this outfit, I would have worn something like this last year, like the fishnets under the really, really baggy jeans. But one thing I don't like, I'm gonna give the outfit, let's see. I'm gonna give the outfit like a 6 out of 10 because I personally don't like how many rips are in the jeans. I think it looks dumb.
Yeah. I feel like there's a certain amount of rips you can have.
Yeah, and then to the point it looks like, what happened?
It suits her, you know?
Yeah, I just like, and I like the Tate Langdon sweater. It's like definitely an outfit. I'm just not a big fan.
Yeah.
Because she's hot. What? That's not insert. I'm gonna give it like a 6 out of 10.
Yeah.
5 out of 10. Cause like it looks good on them.
Yeah.
But like I personally wouldn't wear something like that because I feel like it's just like too much for me. Like the boots and this, like especially the socks.
6 out of 10 for me. It's just very.
It's like a lot.
Yeah. This, I would give it
a 5 out of 10 personally.
Ooh.
She looks good, but I don't wear stuff like that. Kind of bland, just brown on brown, and then brown shoes, and then a brown bag. The Louis Vuitton isn't giving.
Louis Vuitton's really random because you have like Gap.
Yeah,
hoodie,
and then like
Louis Vuitton.
It's kind of like, shut up. It's not my style. So I'm gonna give it like a 5 out of 10.
Okay, I like this one.
This one's cute. Like insert, QC. I would wear that, not out, but I would wear it in my room and stand and stare at myself, and then I take it off.
I look really good.
Yeah, like an 8 out of 10 because I think it's really cute and I like the skirt.
I like the gloves.
That was
our
it.
outfit review.
Thanks for watching.
Stay
have a terrible day. Bye. Some of those clothes aren't gonna fit very well after all the ice cream I'm gonna eat watching this next video.
Have you ever craved something sweet? Maybe you really wanted some ice cream but didn't have any? I found an easy to make vanilla ice cream recipe on TikTok, and I'm here to share it with you. This recipe only calls for a few ingredients. You'll need 2 or 3 Ziploc bags, 1 cup of half and half, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of sugar, you'll need ice, and you'll need salt. The first step is mixing together the half and half, vanilla extract, and sugar into the small Ziploc bag. Make sure to seal the bag well. Fill one of the Ziploc bags about halfway with ice. Add in about 1/4 cup of salt into the bag of ice. Put the sealed ice cream mixture into the bag of ice. Add more ice to the bag, but make sure you're still able to close it. Shake the mixture for about 6 minutes or until the ice cream is to the consistency you want it. After 6 minutes of shaking, this is how my ice cream has turned out. It's a bit soft, so I'm going to shake more, but whatever the eater prefers. After shaking for about 12 minutes, I'd say my ice cream is done. You're all set to enjoy. I hope you enjoy this sweet treat when you need a pick-me-up. I know I will. For VTV, I'm Sully.
Now, for the moment we've all been waiting for.
That super fun Christmas surprise we promised you. This being the first week of December, people are starting to get into the Christmas spirit.
I already got my Christmas tree.
I finished decorating.
Have you done your Christmas shopping yet?
I finished last month.
I haven't even started. Take it away, Emma and Amelia.
We're making gingerbread houses, and we're lazy, so we bought them pre-built. Some M&Ms and some like cheap Christmas trees. So we'll see who can do the best.
If you would like some of my elves, you can have them, alright? You can stop being so salty.
Okay. I just can't. It doesn't work the same for me.
Left you like a secret, but I kept you like an oath.
I was there. I remember it all too well.
Oh, I have such a good idea. Where did I hear this? What are your Christmas plans? What's the top thing you're asking for Christmas?
My little pony doll. You don't need a boyfriend to be happy. What do you do? Why would you put that there? To you guys?
No.
It's actually so bad. Sue's gonna want us back in the chorus after seeing this video.
I'm taking boyfriend applications if you would like to date me. You have to be a living person. Even if you're not, that's okay too.
Sorry, I just think it's funny like how we're actually friends.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
We're gonna show off our houses now.
So here are both of our houses.
Back.
I'm into the back. This is the front and the side.
Up here I did like a little like half wreath thing. Got the 2 trees in the front, thought that was festive, and then I added some snow with salt, and I put little lights, and then there's also little like snow here if you didn't know. Oops, you didn't notice. And the lights on the back, I feel like sometimes houses go like all out in the back.
Here's my house. Here we have some lights on the roof with some snow. Just normal snow. We put some Kit Kats on the top because we were bored. Right here is a tree. It's a Christmas tree. I have a wreath. There's a man falling out of the window, and then I had an elf fall off my roof, and he fell into a pile of snow. Thank you for watching. If you want to go vote on whose gingerbread house turned out better, no.
Happy holidays!
No. Go to Triton VTV Instagram.
So casually cruel in the name of being honest.
That's it for this episode.
Until next week, Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad.
Okay, we'll be fine. That was so cute. Some of those clothes aren't gonna fit very well after watching. Some of those clothes aren't gonna fit very well after watch. Who put that there? Some of those clothes aren't gonna fit very well after watch. Who? Some of those clothes aren't gonna fit very well after all the ice.
Got it.
Some of those clothes aren't gonna fit very well after all the ice cream I'm gonna watch. Have you done your Christmas shopping yet?
I finished last month.
I haven't even started.
For those of you who finish early like me,